One of the tools available inside the POP boxes is the OTDR. This is used to show the location on the map of an OTDR measurement made in the field. In the case of POP, you just have to click on it, you'll enter this window, and you can right-click on any fiber or port you want. You'll then see these icons indicating the type of break. I'll show you the box. Enter this splice box 1. And in the case of the box, these same icons will be at the top with the box tools. If the OTDR measurement in the field was to the left, use the icon that indicates that direction. The same thing if it was to the right. From there, you click on the icon on the side where you want to measure the OTDR and select the fiber that was tested. So in this case, I'm going to click on that red fiber. From there, this window will open in which you enter the length that the OTDR reported. The OTDR, by default, takes measurements in 2D, so it doesn't take terrain elevation into account, which can cause discrepancies in the field. That's why there's an option to take relief into account, but to do so, you need to have a Google API key registered in the system settings, and the elevation key must be active. Mine already has, but for more information, please contact our support team. So in this first example, I'm going to put it OK. Without the relief option, it's 2,200 meters, and OZmap will show the location of this possible fiber break on the map, taking into account all the cable's technical reserves. It will automatically take this marking, showing the distance from the point where the measurement was made and through which fiber and box it was measured. So now I selected the OTDR with the relief calculation and put in the same measurement, 2,200 meters, and clicked OK. At the same moment, OZmap will generate an elevation graph. This graph contains some important information. You can compare the elevation and the distance in meters and see what the elevation gain and loss is. Also, in this window, you have coordinate information. It shows the latitude and longitude of the OTDR measurement point. You can also copy these coordinates with this icon here, so you can use them anywhere else you like. In this other icon, if necessary, the system centers the map on the OTDR measurement position. So let's say you're elsewhere on the map and you want to see the OTDR point again. This icon will direct you to that point. Furthermore, when you pull back the diagrams and open the arrows, you can see the new location on the map, including the relief, and you can also compare the last OTDR measurement you took, which was in 2D, with the new measurement. So in this case, it started from the same point, it was made by the same fiber. However, one counting the relief of the location and the other disregarding these distortions. And using OZmap's ruler tool, you can see that the distance between the 2 points was 16 meters. That's why it's interesting to use the relief.